Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Inshallah, Azza wa Jal, I am going to tell you about a family's members' name and their occupations. But first of all, please subscribe my channel and like it and share it with your friends. Let's start our topic.
I have some your family's photos. Can you tell me their names?
Yes, why not?
Who is this and what does he do for living?
He is my father and he is a farmer.
Who is this and what does he do?
This is my mother and she is a housewife.
Who is this and what does he do?
This is my brother and he is a teacher in a school.
Who is this and what does he do?
This is my grandfather and he doesn't do anything because he is a old man.
Thanks a lot of you for telling me your family's names.